Wow, after the cleaning job almost 9 hours ago, we got the system working. It is cooling to 70 degrees. It is dry. Under the filter is dry. The sump motor is dry, condensate is dry. I clean the floor very good. The most important thing for the central air conditioning, the most important thing is to keep it clean around it, so you don't get the debris going through the filter, and the filter will clog the condensate drain, and it will freeze the cooling coil. This one is warm, not hot, warm. This one is cool, but not frozen. What is that wire going around it? This wire going all the way to the outside. The thermostat wire, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, it's coming from here, from the inside. I think the thermostat. And that will follow all the way to the outside. I'm very happy that I solved the problem of cleaning. Only damage I got, I have to cut that tube after I cleaned it, and I have to cut that tube after I cleaned it. Other than that, the water in the sump condensate pump is leveled, doesn't reach maximum because the float keep triggering the pump whenever it reaches certain level. So everything here looks good. Only thing I need to do is to close, put the tape back so I don't get leak from here, from the corner. Here's the cooling coil is inside that part. The central air conditioning is very simple. Here is the furnace. It blows the blower. It blows the air, and the air go through the cooling coil. How does the cooling coil become cold? Because the Freon comes in this tube from outside, from the top, outside the house, the exterior behind the building. It comes in this tube that become cold. It goes inside. It goes through the radiator inside. It cools the air that is blown from the bottom up. Where does the air come from? The air is taken from the bottom. The air comes from the apartment. It goes through the filter right here. From the bottom, the blower blows it up. It is cooled here by the Freon that's coming from outside. It's the thermostat. And the Freon, after it gains the heat, it comes warm in this tube. This tube goes to the outside. So in this little bundle, you have 4 elements. The black one, the big one is the insulated cold Freon. And this is the copper tube. And the other tube, the small copper tube, that is hot Freon. And the plastic tube is the water condensate that is pumped outside. And the wire, the brown wire, is the thermostat signal that coordinates the signal from here, from that blower. This is the blower and furnace. Coordinate with the exterior unit. That's called central air conditioning. Where does the cold air goes? The cold air flows in this vent, go throughout the entire house, and it turns back from here. It is sucked from here to be, the warm air comes from the bottom here, and the cold air goes from the top. That's how